Alright, welcome to Average Joe and the Pro. I'm Average Joe and we are at the top of a mountain today, the day after Storm Bram. The winds still seem to be here. I mean, we're getting 40-mile-an-hour gusts. I can barely keep the camera up. Anyway, we're going to do a 9-hole challenge. We're at Glen Cullen, pitch and putt, top of the mountain in the Wicklow Mountains. It's a lovely day but really windy. Johnny Fox's pub's just a quarter of a mile away over there. Old Sugarloaf just over there. We're going to do 9 holes. We're starting on hole 4 and we're going to see how we can get on. So 9 holes would be par 27. There are really strong winds, as you can see. I'm going to see if I can get a better score than 35. Break 35. Let's see. That's given me bogeys on most holes, but honestly, I can barely hear myself think. Let's see. Let's give it a go. Come on. So we've got hole 4, 67 yards. Right in front of you, you can see it. In the windy, windy ways of the world. Very, very windy. Rock hard mats. Crosswind. Let's have a look. Oh, hey! Okay, I'm going to whack this right out to the left. It's up in the thermals. It's going left. Sit, sit, sit. It's on! Yay! Green in regulation. I have to say, just played a few warm-up holes, 1, 2 and 3, and the greens are, everything's in really good nick, really, considering the time of year. And I don't have to chip, so that's always handy. Oh, no, sorry, I do. That's a lie. The green's smaller than I thought. Bad chip. Very bad chip. Oh, terrible putt. That'll do it. 4, I'll take that. It's a good start. Keeps me on track. Okay, hole 5, 58 yards. Downhill, tinsy tiny little chip. Downhill, wind's going that way really badly. Come on, let's plop one down on the green. Is that too much? Jeez, that's way too much. I barely touched that. Right, here we go. Tricky chip. Sit. Go, go, go. Oh, I'll take that. Gives me a chance of a par. Flag out for this. Come on. Par, 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 par. Okay, bogey par. I'm on. Not out of the challenge after 2 holes. That's unusual for me. This is hole 6 and it's 72 yards. We're a bit shaded from the wind through the bushes there a little bit, so we should be all right. Ha, he says. Famous last words. That could be good. It's up in the thermals. Oh my God. I didn't even make it more than halfway. It went up in the wind and just stopped. Nothing like laying up on a par 3 75-yarder. Dear oh dear, look at that though, isn't that beautiful? Wow, that's some miscalculation there. A bit of mud on the ball, get rid of that. Oh, some of my gloves now. Jesus. Anywhere on the green would be nice. Sit. Come on. Going around a little bit. It's good weight. Go on, go on. Oh! Oh! I'll take the 4. I'm allowed a few of those, especially today. We are on hole 7. It is 79 yards. Look, I mean, look at that green. Yeah, so 79 yards, big crosswind. Can he get it on that tiny little ledge green? Come on, Average Joe. Wind's in our face, needs a bit of a whack, but you don't want to go too far. Come round, bring it round, that looks good. Oh, yes, on the green, have that, woohoo! You're gonna love that, Tracer Jamie. Some pitch and putt, isn't it? Tiny green, I did blooming well to hit that. God, blimey. Well, you can see the size of this green. I'm very happy with that. And in the true words of my YouTube hero, Fat Perez, wow, oh wow. Birdie'd be nice. Let's take the flag out. You gotta hit that. Ah, gotta give it a go. I'll take the par though. On this stunning course, stunning hole, got a par. Birdie would have been nice. There you go. Onwards. This is interesting. Walking up here now. Oh, it's not ideal for the old hernia though. Now you can see that green, how tiny that green was there. Another stunning hole. Hole 8, 59 yards, downhill. Mountains in the background, Glen Cullen, I believe. Anyway, enough chit chat. Let's play golf. Downhill, wind with. That looks good as well. It looked good and then it looked like it flew off down the hill. I don't know where that's gone. I didn't hit it very hard. Let's see. Can't really afford any blow-ups on 9 holes if I want to succeed in this challenge. Maybe I'm allowed, what, maybe 1.5, 1 double. There you go, it's gone a bit long. Wind took it over there. Here I am. That's good. It's not bad. Stuck in the wind. Come on the par. God, it's so windy. Oh! God. All right, okay, that's enough. Stop. Okay. Oh, jeez. Leave it out. I'm trying to tap this in. There we go. 4. Take it. Hole 9. 110 yards. Oh no. I mean, it's okay, but as you saw, I hit the ground and the ground is actually rubber mats. But the thing is, with these courses up here, you don't know how many visitors they get. I think it was like 10-15 quid for 18 holes, so you can't really moan. There you go, see what I mean by a good miss. Kept it up the left and it rolled down. Pick and place, winter rules, 6 inches, no closer to the ball. You are supposed to put something in the ground. I use the end of my club and I'm playing on my own. It's not bad. Putt for par, which is not bad considering. No. It wasn't a very good putt. Kind of need to get it a bit closer than this for some pars. Okay, that's another 4. Need some pars. Okay, hole 10, 69 yards, straight down there as you can see. You do not want to go left because you are in a farmer's field and the hesky, skewy stuff. So yeah, not a home to Mr. Cock up here. 1 out of bounds is me done for this challenge. Sun's in my eyes, but it's okay. Oh, come on! Ooh. He read the wind lovely. Getting used to this. Might be ready for a proper links, Donal. No, I'm only joking. Green in regulation. Is that what you call it on a pitch and putt? I guess so. Don't know. This has to be a par. 2 putting from there, aren't we, Shirley?
Don't call me Shirley.
Okay, birdie putt. This would be nice. Give me a bit of a cushion. Getting towards the end. Downhill. Ooh, pretty straight. Clean your ball. Clean your ball, John. That's good. Ooh, no. Sit. Oh! Actually left myself slightly uncomfortable putt there. I'm not going to think about it. I'm just going to pop it in. Like that. Yes! Come on. That's a par. We'll take that. Oh no, that hit me mic thing. Hole 11. 70 yards, downhill. Bushes on the right. Farmer's field on the left. Fence on the left. Let's keep it right, not too hard. Very strong wind. We've almost got to aim at those trees on the right, which is a bit daunting. It doesn't need to be hard. That might just be all right. Sit down. No. Oh, yep, just safe. Don't know if you saw that. Bounced on the green. Nearly went over into the fence, but I think it's just on the edge, but it's in the rough. So hard with this wind to get it anywhere near a green. In fact, the fact that I've hit any greens today, honestly, has been a bloody miracle. A miracle from the gods. Again, another classic little hole. I'd say this is a lovely place to take your kids, but no kids allowed. So if you want a bit of a chill time, this is the place to come. This is tricky. You need to just get this on. Lean on the front foot, do a putting motion. That was the video, wasn't it? Yep. Go. That was very nice. Par chance. Par would be nice. Way, that's another par. That's another par. Last hole. So we're on the last hole of the 9, hole 12. We're on, actually done really well, 28 considering the winds, which I'm massively pleased with. So I've got 7 shots not to f this up basically. Hole 12, 65 yards, you can see it, I can see it. We're actually out of the wind for once on this hole a little bit. We hit it nice. Oh, that's all right, just off the back. Come on. Right, downhill, left to right. Do one of Donal's chipping putts again, I think, from that last video. Trickle it down there. Oh, left me a tricky one. Wasn't a bad shot actually. Here we go for the par, 31. Yes, another par. So look, 31. Break 35, it was pretty easy. No, it wasn't easy. For me, even on little short pitchings, 7,500 yards, they're some of the hardest shots. I think 35 was a good number to try and break. It just so happens that I played all right for once, and it was very windy. But it's great to practice your short game doing this. Maybe it should be break 30, who knows. Anyway, it's good fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please, please, if you can, do like and subscribe, and do like and subscribe our new channel, which I'll put a little link here, is the PGA Pro. And all the tips and the tutorials will be on there, like the putting chipping tip I've been using today. That's one of Donal's latest videos on the PGA Pro, so have a look at that. As I said, please do like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you don't, f off. No, I'm only joking.